Waiting at Hollywood Burbank Airport. We are in front of the queue, and now we're going to edit a few videos while we're waiting. I'm going to teach you real time how I edit my videos, and there's no better time. So far, we've made $14. That was from Canyon Country, and it basically brought me close to the airport. I turned the app off and drove here straight because if you look over here, around 7 in the morning, right down here, 7 in the morning, there's some flights coming in. I want to be first in line. Well, I'm not first in line, but I'm here pretty close. And, you know, while we're waiting, we're going to work. So, what are we going to work on? Let me show you. I'm going to hide my face. We're going to go in the background, and I'm going to show you the videos that I've recorded this morning. Okay. The first video that I've recorded is down here on the bottom right. Let me mark it for you. 1 video, 2 video, right? Then I have 3 videos, 4 videos. The ones with the heart are the ones I want to show you as YouTube shorts. And the ones with my face are the morning videos I do every day. There's one over here that I accidentally did for 8 seconds. I'll go ahead and delete it. It's not necessary. Let's get started. First, take a look at the video. It's 1 minute and 4 seconds long, and that's basically how it starts. Sometimes I have it on my chest, sometimes I have it somewhere else. And then here's the other video, same thing, right? It starts, it's a little blurry in the beginning, but there's a quick conversation that's going on. All right, so let's get started. We are gonna go in the background, open up CapCut. This is the editing software that I use. It is 100% free. Download it and follow along, okay? It's free, so you're gonna get ads like that you have to turn off. The first thing I do is I have a video here called A60, which is right here. A60 basically means Ahmed, and it's 60 seconds long. It is ready to go. We're gonna click right here on the video channel. We're gonna go all the way to the right, click replace, and I'm literally gonna click on my first video and replace it. Can you do... Now I'm moving the beginning part a little bit, so I just start right when I start talking. Think about the outside. Do anything about... Can you do anything? Can you do anything? Can you do anything about... That's it, my friends. Now the video is ready to be exported. I just have to check the ending. I'm gonna go all the way to the end and make sure it ends well. Present moment, I want to bless you. Have a beautiful day and make lots of money driving Uber, because it's lots of money driving Uber. That's it. Now we'll watch the whole thing once and then I'll export it. Can you do anything about the outside world? What's outside of your body? Everything that's going on out there. Think about that while I ask you the second question. Can you do anything about the inside of your body? Like your heart, your breathing, all your organs, the way it functions. Let's go back to the first part. No. 99% of what happens on the outside world you cannot control. Watch the movie, watch the game, and relax. 99% of what happens inside your body you cannot control. Relax, have a beautiful day, be happy, and learn to be in the present moment. If you can learn to be in the present moment, then only can you make a difference and a change. Right now, I'm in the present moment. I want to bless you. Have a beautiful day. And make a beautiful day. So I'm going to stop it there. Have a beautiful day. So around 55 seconds long. This is the first video that's going to get exported, right? Now, while this video is exporting in the background, look, right? We're going to go over here. We're going to check out my YouTube channel. I'm going to go back to from the podcast that I was listening to. And literally, we're going to upload it. And it's going to go right here where all these videos are. And if you look over here, yesterday I uploaded a video that's gotten almost 500 views. This one's got 168 views, and this is a longer video, 9 minutes long, right? And this one right here has got 157 views, and again, it's a longer video. Here's another short right here. This one's got 505 views. And the morning one that I did yesterday, it's Wednesday, down here, it's got 1.6K views in one day, right? This is my system right here. Right now, literally, this is the video that we're uploading right here. 2 videos. Oops, my turn might have came. Sure. Okay, that's it, my friends. That's how easy it is. I'm going to take this because I'm going to come right back to the airport. And so, guess what? This video is going to end. And I haven't even had a chance. Like, this video's exporting. I haven't even had a chance to upload it. So I'm going to quickly upload it. And then I'm going to go pick up this passenger. So we're going to go right here. Do anything about the outside. Now I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. Can you do anything about the outside world? Question mark. We're going to copy it because I'm going to upload it to both of my channels. Right here is going to my first channel. And I'll update the title and description later. I'm going to go to my second YouTube channel, which is also about rideshare industry. And in 1 week, it's doubled from like 55 followers to 114. Same video is going to get uploaded on that channel too. Because I'm in a rush right now, I got to pick up the passengers. Oops. I made a mistake there. I made a mistake there, and I'll tell you what mistake was. On this channel, on this channel, you have to say no for the kids thing. Right here. You have to say no, otherwise people can't comment on it. I have to change that in the settings somewhere. Okay, now we're ready to pick up the passenger. Now, in order for me to pick up the passenger, I'm going to take my notes, turn my car on. Jack. We're going to get rid of this. Now I'm going to turn my car on so I can go pick him up. Now, as I'm driving, I'm going to be talking and taking notes. Uploading my first video that I recorded this morning. Can you do anything about the outside world? The plan was, after dropping off the last passenger, to come to Burbank Airport. I'm in first in line. I grabbed a $12 ride for UberXL. I'm gonna come right back and pick up another passenger very soon. I'm basically taking a short ride and I'm editing videos in the background. Now I'm gonna get off because, you know, it's time to pick up the passenger. Then the next thing I do is I grab my cell phone, which I'll show you. This is my backup cell phone. This car's coming. I literally go here and I record an audio. Today is December 28th, 2023. It is 7:11 in the morning, and I'm not talking about the store. It's a beautiful day. I can see the sun coming up, and I'm gonna go pick up my first passenger, Mr. Jack. I'm at Burbank Hollywood Airport, and it's a $12 ride. It's a short ride. Within 30 minutes, I'll be back at the airport to pick up another person. Or I'll leave my preferences on and see where I drop them off. Maybe Uber gives me something more than $20. If Uber gives me something more than $20, I'll take it. If Uber doesn't give me more than $20, I'm coming right back to the airport. Hence why I took a short ride. This is how we drive, my friends. Now, okay, check this out. I'm looking at Jack. Jack is not even at the airport. This is even better. He's at the hotel that's across the airport, so the pickup is going to be even easier. Going into the airport and getting out takes about 5 minutes. Now, I don't even have to worry about that. This is beautiful. All right, my friends, I hope you found some value in this video. I'm going to go ahead and upload it because I got to go pick up my passenger now.